Let's get real. At $32, I'm holding the bag with BitMine. Not ideal, but I'm not panicking. This is exactly where the wheel strategy does its job. Today I'm going to show how I'm eating away at the cost basis, recap my win with gold, and prepping for my next moves. Let's get into this. So, quick recap on the wheel strategy. It starts off with you selling a put. In our case, we sold a put on BitMine, BMNR. We sold a put at $32. We got assigned, which leads us into the next phase of the wheel strategy, which is selling calls. Our cost basis is at $31.52, and that came from we sold the put at $32, but we received $48 for selling the put. So that gives us our current cost basis today. It's at $28, which we're down a couple of $100. Hence the wheel strategy. If we go back to the spreadsheet to see our log, let's see right here, BitMine, you can see I sold the put at 32. I received $48, hence the $31.52. So what we're going to do is we're going to use selling calls, which is the second leg of the wheel strategy, to eat away at this cost basis. Every time I sell a call and receive a premium, this number goes down. And as this number goes down, hopefully this number will go up, and we will eventually end up losing our shares as we sell the call for them. But we're going to keep an eye on this. And that's the wheel strategy. You keep selling a put until you get assigned. We just so happen to got assigned on the very first round. And then after you get assigned, you sell calls until you get called away or get assigned again. In our case, we're on the second leg of it. We sold the put, we got assigned, and now we're selling calls. I did sell a call last week. In fact, let's go into our review. And it did expire worthless, so it closed on the 23rd. And we also had a credit spread on GLD that also closed on the 23rd. And they expired worthless, both of them. So for BitMine, BMNR, we received $10. And for gold, we received $24. If I go back over to the dashboard, you can see they're not over here anymore. They've been closed out and they've been added to our total for January, which is not too bad. For 2 weeks, we've made a total of $198. This coming week, my gold is, let's see, options. We are going to, of course, run another covered call on BMNR because we need to keep eating away at the cost basis. We're going to also do a spread on IWM. We're going to run another spread, and I'm going to also do another spread on GLD for gold. That should be our trades for this week. We'll figure that out in the next episode. See you in the next one.